end to end from fuse going to BCM. End to end is 0.3, and this one connector going to BCM, and we put here end to end ground to fuse block, not short to ground. So it means circuit is okay. When we put this one in the BCM, this one here in the fuse block become shorted to ground. Now they have a connection. So it means the problem is from BCM. Okay.